Hey, it's been too long now. We're gonna do some vlog. I feel like I have to do some vlog. We've been here. We've been stranded on this house for 9 months. Thank you! At the moment, so I think it's a high time to do any vlog. So I was thinking actually to do some special what you call this burger at the moment. I crave to do some any burger. But look at this weather. A while ago it was sunny, and then by the time you step outside the house, and then ta-da, no more sun at the moment. So struggle is real. It's summer here in Liverpool, but this is our weather system be like here, so it's so annoying. But yeah, we still have to do it though. I kind of like here in Liverpool compared to the anywhere else. But the whole UK weather system anyway is like this. So we are actually going to the corner there to buy some ingredients. I like to cook. I like to make a vlog. It's been a while since we cannot travel. We cannot even go to town at the moment. So we're just gonna, create something.
We talk on the phone from night till the morning. Girl, you really changed my life. Doing things I never do. I'm in the kitchen cooking.
In the morning, I was thinking of eating some burgers. So I was thinking like, yeah, let's do some burger, guys. Then it's not gonna be like Mahis or Makis or Burger King like, but we could do our own thing. You see, burgers are easy to make. We just have to find the right ingredients for the burger what we're doing. So yeah, we're just gonna walk there and pass by the Tesco's and buy some little ingredients to do our burger.
Symphony, the one that can fill your fantasies. So come, baby girl, let's sing with me. Yeah, I can be your melody, a girl I can write you a symphony, the one that can fill your fantasies.
Just bought some of our things that we need to do our own version of burger. So I'm probably gonna make it classic, but touch my own spices and all that. So let's do
2,000 years later.
okay, for this recipe we gathered these ingredients. Start with the beef patties. I got this one on sale, but this is a bit plain, so we have to put some spices on it. And we're gonna use the bacon rashers, the smoked ones, because it's much more tastier. We're also gonna use some German cheese. This is a bit strong taste, and really adds up the flavor. We're gonna use some garlic, some onions to go along with our beef patty, so it will become more tasty. Plus the salt and pepper to go along with it, because this is so plain. And our veggies is tomato, cucumber with rocket salads to taste like peppery. And we're gonna use the brown muffins, because this one are really soft, which is nice to eat. For our relish is we're gonna use some of my gherkins, and I think we're gonna use some whole grain mustard as well, some mayo, some ketchup. We could also use the garlic or with the herbs one. Plus, we always use Tabasco nearly for everything because we like the a bit spicy. And I said pink salt and black pepper, lemon to do with our relish because it's a bit of kick and freshness on it, and olive oil. So that's must for the relish. So the sauce is done, but this is gonna be with sidings of twirly fries and probably a little bit of salad. I was thinking of beetroot salad to go along with it, so let's see. Okay, the secret of burger pie is get some 2 burger pies. So we're gonna use some garlic, onion, salt and pepper on this one. You see this burger pies is plain, just minced beef, which is we never ever serve a plain burger pie. So we're gonna stuck some garlic on it. You have to make sure that it goes inside. Oh! See that? Salt and pepper. And you have to make sure that you have to do the other side as well, just to balance a bit. Now, not everyone likes garlic, but this recipe requires me to put garlic. That's why I told you in the first time that this is the best burger than McDonald's or the Burger King. It's just because these are my own taste. So yeah, it's not gonna be McDonald's or Burger King standard taste. So whenever you go, they always taste the same. But my burger has a different taste on it. It depends upon what I like at the moment. Sometimes you like salty, and sometimes you like a bit spicy on it. But be careful not to put too much on the black pepper because it burns quickly. So this is your burger patty look like. So we just have to put it on like a grill, and when it cook, it's gonna be tasty. So when you cook your burger patty, don't put any oil on it. Beef itself will extract some oil. So it looks like this. Don't overcook it. It's gonna be tough. Just a couple of minutes, like back and forth, and you have your patty done. Hey guys, even the bacon, fry it with no oil, yeah? Just throw the bacon on the pan and that's it. Don't forget to heat up your bread as well, yeah? So let's assemble this thing. We got our bacon, we got our veggies, we got our relish, some wild rockets and everything on it. So let's start with the bread. Let's put some relish. And also the top bit, put some relish as well. This is only to cover the taste. The first thing you have to do is look at that German cheese. Put one at the top and probably two in the middle. So let's get our let's get our beef, but the cheese will go the rockets first. Put more on rocket as a base, and we have to put the burger patty that we made, and we're gonna do two of this German cheese because the taste of this is, I like it very much. So some crispy bacon, and two of the German. Don't include the plastic, right? Yeah, like that. And then another burger patty like this, and some bacon. Now the secret of these, before it falls down, get some chopstick. You see that? And then you can stick it later like this. So we have our tomatoes. See, don't fall, don't fall. Our cucumber and the burger. That's it. And see what I mean? Really, really good. Let's.
It was very nice!
Okay, let's dress up all of this thing. Here's my comb. We got the here. Well, that was hot. And don't forget our beetroot salad here. And you know that relish that you did not use, don't worry about those. And some bacon.
It might take some time, but I'll be alright. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. I'm moving on. I'm moving on.
Enjoy the making our own version of a burger because I'm craving on it. So oops, don't mind. New shirt, champions of the world, Liverpool Football Club. So that's how it is. So back to that thingy, best burger ever. Just because it's my own taste, my own relish, my own ingredients, I put it in there. So if you have a chance to make your own any recipe at all, make sure not to copy, or maybe a copy but slightly different for your own taste. Some of us like to have salty food, chili food, garlicky, whatever it is, make your own thing. Cheers guys! Cheers! 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 You need to have these. when you do burgers. So yeah, this is not paid advertising, by the way. It's just you know, burgers and beers are really good combination. So enjoy it. I hope you enjoy this another episode of mine. It's been 2 months, no, 1 month, 2 months, maybe. Actually, we are stuck in the house for 9 weeks, not 9 months, 9 weeks only. Yeah, but we're about to go back to job, and then things gonna be a bit busy, hectic. We're probably gonna have travel schedule coming up, probably on my birthday, but it's not been confirmed yet. It's just because of the travel, the quarantine, the you know, all the countries that we're planning to go, they have their own laws about how to quarantine the tourists and all that kind of things. So all the travelers blog out there, we have to put some content, which is, yeah, I know I got loads of food blog already, but not on the, apparently not this year. But if we could confirm it, so I will probably gonna tell you that we're doing the travel blog this year. Hopefully just one travel or 2, that's it. But normally we travel 7 countries, like 18 to 20 places in 1 year. But yeah, that's all. Let's enjoy the burger, pots, beer. So I hope you guys okay. Stay at home, stay safe as well. Make sure to wash your hands. All these safety precautions for these viruses going on around the world. So cool. Take care. See you. Cool.
So this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed the party. Thank you for watching, and I forgot.